sklearn preprocessing power transform. Description. Power transformer applies a power transform to each feature of the input data, making the distribution closer to a normal distribution. It's particularly useful for dealing with skewed data and enhancing the performance of models that assume normality. Inputs. X an array-like input data containing numerical features. It's typically a 2D array where rows represent instances and columns represent features. Method. The power transform method to apply. It can be Yo-Johnson default or Box-Cox. Yo-Johnson, a more general transformation that can handle both positive and negative values. Box-Cox, applicable only to positive values. Outputs. X transformed. The transformed array-like data where each feature has a distribution closer to normal. Lambdas, an array containing the optimal power transform parameters for each feature. If method is set to Yo-Johnson. Steps. Data preparation. The input data is transformed to a NumPy array if it's not already one. Power transformation. The selected power transform method Yo-Johnson or Box-Cox is applied to each feature, adjusting the distribution to approximate normality. Return transformed data. The transformed data and optionally the power transform parameters are returned. Metrics. Kolmogorov-Smirnov test measures the goodness of fit of the transformed distribution to a normal distribution. Skewness and kurtosis measures of the shape of the distribution. Transformed data should have reduced skewness and kurtosis, indicating a more normal distribution. Visualization plots. Histograms visualize the distribution of each feature before and after the power transformation. To assess the improvement, QQ plots compare the quantiles of the transformed distribution to the quantiles of a standard normal distribution, providing a visual assessment of normality. Fine-tune parameters. Method. Choose Yo-Johnson for a more general transformation or Box-Cox for positive values only. Standardize. If set to true default, the data will be standardized before applying the transformation. Standardization helps ensure consistent scaling across features. Copy. If set to true default, the input data is copied before transformation. If false, the transformation is performed in place. Uncertainty methods. Bootstrapping. Resample the data with replacement multiple times and apply the power transform to each sample. The variability in the resulting transformations provides an estimate of uncertainty. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. Data with very small or large values can cause numerical instability during pay transformation. Sample use case. A feature with values ranging from 10 to 10 to 10. Fixes. Scale the data. Apply a scaling method like min-max scaler to bring the values into a more manageable range before transformation. Consider alternative methods if the data has extreme values and the power transform doesn't work well. Try other methods like logarithmic transformation or a robust scaler. Challenge 2. The power transform may not be effective for data with multiple modes. Multimodal distributions. Sample use case. A feature representing customer age with two distinct peaks, e.g., young adults and older adults. Fixes. Data segmentation. Segment the data based on the modes and apply separate transformations to each segment. Alternative transformations. Experiment with different transformations, such as logarithmic transformation or a non-parametric transformation.